Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to remove unauthorized devices on Robinhood. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily do that, so the first thing to do is to open the Robinhood app and sign in and tap the profile icon, then go to the settings. Then the next thing to do, which is your next step, is to go to settings and privacy. So to locate that, scroll down and tap security and privacy, then select devices. Then next is to check the device list. So review all the logged in devices and look for anyone you don't recognize. Then once you figured it out, you have to remove the unauthorized device. So tap the suspicious device and choose remove device to sign it out. Then also you can change your password and enable 2FA, which is two-factor authentication. So to get that done, you have to go back to the security privacy, then update your password and also turn on the two-factor authentication for stronger protection. And that's how you can easily remove unauthorized device on Robinhood and also strengthen your account protection. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.